In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Adobe Creative Cloud account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Adobe's official website. Once the site loads, look for the Sign In option, which is usually located near the top of the page. Click that to open the Sign In screen. Since we're creating a new account and not logging into an existing one, go ahead and select Create an Account. On the account creation page, Adobe gives you several different sign-up options. You can create an account using an email address and password, or you can sign up using another service such as Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Line, or Kakao. The option you choose really depends on what's most convenient for you. In this example, I'm using Google because it's usually the fastest if you already have a Google account. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you may see your account appear right away. Just click on it to continue. If you don't see the account you want to use, choose the option to use another account, then sign in with your Google login details. After that, Google will show you a screen explaining what information Adobe will be allowed to access. Take a moment to review that, then click Continue. Once you do that, the Adobe page will reload and begin setting up your account. At this stage, you may be asked to review or edit a few details, such as your name, your birth month and year, and your region. Make sure everything is accurate, since these details can affect your account setup and the content or services available in your area. When you finish checking the information, click Create Account. Now all you need to do is wait a moment for the page to reload. After the process finishes, Adobe will automatically sign you into your new account. That means your Creative Cloud account is now ready to use, and you can start exploring Adobe's apps, services, and features right away. And that's it. That's how to create an Adobe Creative Cloud account. If you're following along, just take your time with each screen, especially when choosing your sign-up method and reviewing your account details. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to access Adobe Creative Cloud with your new account.